Hey y'all, welcome back to the Eat to Cure channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spicy pasta with some chickpea patties. You come and say hi. What you're going to need for that is one garlic clove, some onion, and a can of diced tomatoes that's the chili flavored, so it has like the chili seasoning in it already. And we're going to go get that ready. I'm going to chop some of it up while we get the pasta cooking on the stove, and then I'll show you what else to do. Come on. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon each of chili powder, ground cumin, and paprika. Go ahead and start the chickpea patties. So first you want to get out a food processor, and you're going to put 1½ cups of chickpeas into the food processor, and I'll show you the rest of the spices. We're just going to add a little dash of everything and the juice of half a lemon. Those are starting to brown, so I'm going to flip them over, but sometimes they fall apart when you flip them, so I like to be really careful, and you can always piece them back together if they do, but let's try. Fingers crossed. Here's the finished product. I just added some fresh cilantro on top. You can do cilantro or parsley, whatever you prefer. And also, instead of the pasta, you can substitute it for a zoodle, which is a zucchini noodle, if you're not familiar with that, to keep it a little bit healthier. But I love my pasta. So. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Comment below, let me know what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.